Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the Lotus Lantern app and walk you through its main features. First, download and install the Lotus Lantern app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will see the Adjust page, which is the main control screen. Now, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. Inside the Settings menu, find Auto Connect and turn it on. This allows the app to automatically detect and connect to your lights. If the lights do not connect, tap the three-line menu on the left side and press the small circle or retry button. Allow any required permissions, especially Bluetooth access, and wait for the connection to finish. Once connected, return to the Adjust page. Here, you can select the color you want for your lights. You can choose from preset colors or use the color wheel. You can also adjust the brightness to your liking. Next, open the Style section. This area contains different lighting effects and animations. After choosing an effect, you can customize the brightness and speed. After that, go to the Music section. Here, you can play songs through the app, and the lights will react to the beat and rhythm of the music. There is also a Mic section. If music is playing in your room from another source, this feature uses your phone's microphone to capture the sound so the lights can synchronize with it. Finally, open the Schedule section. Here, you can set times for the lights to turn on and off automatically according to your daily routine. That is how to use the Lotus Lantern app. Thanks for watching.